Good afternoon everyone. In last classes we are studying binary addition and binary subtraction. And let's start in today classes binary subtraction using ones and twos complement method. Binary subtraction using a Barrow method, it is a state method but it is a circuit complications for the computer. Hence computer understands the binary subtraction using ones complement and twos complement method. First we study how binary numbers will be subtracted using ones complement method. First one, ones complement method. In first case, subtracting a smaller number from larger number means minuend is greater than subtrahend. Just take one example, 23 and write a binary equivalent for this decimal number using 8421 code method. (16 plus 4 it becomes 20 plus 23. 16 plus 8 becomes 4 plus 4 24. Hence 1 0. 16 plus 4 20. 2 and 1 becomes 1 1 1. 24 binary equivalent is 1 0 1 1. And for 17, 16 before 16 it becomes total 15. Hence 16 1, these are 0 0 and 1th position will become 1. 16th position becomes 1 and remaining 8 4 and 2th position will be 0. It becomes 1 0 0 0 1. This is our main problem. And for subtracting with ones complement, you first take ones complement for this subtrahend. You write it same for 25 1 0 1 1 and take a ones complement of this subtrahend. This becomes 0 1 1 1 0 1 0. It becomes 1, it becomes 0 1 1 is 1. Here carry will be generated and again you add this carry to the carry at the LSB. One 1 0 1 1 0 and this carry it, if you add this carry to here means it will be cancelled 0 0. This 110 is equivalent to 4 2 means 6. 23 minus 7 is also binary equivalent is 6. Hence we get result as 6. Understood? Ones complement method for binary subtraction. In case if it minuend is greater than subtrahend. And second case 2 is if minuend is smaller than subtrahend case of second case is minuend is smaller than substand. Just take example of 25 minus 52. Just write a binary equivalent of both decimal number. For 25, 16 plus 8, 24. Again fourth and second position will become 0. For 1th means 16 plus 8, 24 plus 1 is 25. It is 1 1 0 0 1, and hence for 52, 32 plus 16 become 48, 48 and 8 54. It is for 25. Hence for 52, 32 plus 6, 48, 40 and 8th position will be 0. For 48 plus 4, 52. Hence it is 1 1, 8th position will be 0 and 4th will be 1, and again these are 0. This is binary equivalent of 52. 1 1 0 1 0 0. We make a binary subtraction for these two binary equivalent number. Hence first take the ones complement of this substand. Then what it will become? Ones complement of it will become 0 1 1 0 1, and ones complement of this binary 52 0 0 1 0 1 1, and after that make a addition of these two. 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1. Here no carry will be generated. For final answer you just make a again recomplement of this number. If carry is not at all generated means you can recomplement of that number to get a final answer. 1 becomes 0 and here 1 1, here 0, these two becomes 1 1. This is a final answer for 25 to 50, and just put a negative sign at the final result to show negative answer. 0 1 1 0 1. This decimal equivalent is 2 4 16, 8th position will be 0 and 1 is 32. What it will become? 2 plus 8 is 16, 6 plus 22, sorry 1 2 8 16, 16 plus 8 24, 24 plus 2 26, 27, means 52 minus 25 will be 7, 27. Hence final answer also 27. This will be correct result for these two binary numbers. Understood? 2's complement of, sorry, 1's complement for binary addition in case of if minuend is smaller than subtrahend. In first case, minuend is greater than subtrahend, then carry will be generated while after adding, then carry will be again calculated at the LSB to get the final answer. In second case, minuend is less than subtrahend, means carry will not be generated, you just recomplement of that number for getting the final answer. And second, 2's complement method for the binary subtraction. In first case, minuend is greater than subtrahend. Just take an example, 72 minus 17 minus 9. Binary equivalent for 17, 16 plus 1, and 8th, 4th and 2th position will be 0. 16 plus it becomes 1, 0, 0, 0 and 1. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And second one for 9, 1, 0, 0, 1. These two. 8th and 1st position. 1, 0, 0, 1. This is our main binary subtraction. For doing this, we get in 1's complement method, we get a 1's complement of subtrahend. In here, we take a 2's complement for this subtrahend. How we will calculate 2's complement? For this subtrahend, Two's complement means one's complement plus 1. So what it will become? One's complement 0, 1, 1 and 0 plus 1. It becomes, see, 0, 1, 1, 0 plus 1 means 1, 1, 1, 1. This is here 0 will be there for binary addition, means it becomes 1, 0, 1, 1. This addition will become 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. And after that we get a 2's complement of this subtrahend, and again it add to the your minuend. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, and it is add to the minuend. It will be 2's complement of subtrahend. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, and here carry will be generated. Just discard this carry for getting a final result. And after discarding carry, we get a final result as 1, 0, 0, 0. This is answer for this binary subtraction. This equivalent becomes 8. Hence 17 minus 9 become 8. This is our correct binary equivalent for this addition. Get it? How will be 2's complement method will be used for binary subtraction in case of minuend is greater than subtrahend. And second case is minuend is less than, if minuend is less than subtrahend. Is 26 minus 47. Just write down the binary equivalent for these two decimal numbers using 64841 code. 26 means 16 plus 8 is 24 and remaining 2. 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. This is binary equivalent of 26. And again for 47, 32 plus 16 becomes 48. 32 plus 8 becomes 40. 40 and after that 44, 46, 47. 1, 16th position will be 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is binary equivalent of this decimal number 47. It's become 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is our main subtraction. For this we just going to before get 2's complement of this subtrahend. How will get? First take down the 1's complement of that number and again add 1 to that complement. What it will become 1's complement of this binary number? 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 and plus 1. Thus it becomes 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 and it will be 1. This is 2's complement of this number. And after that we add this 2's complement answer to minuend. Just add it to the minuend 0, 0 and 1. This one is 2's complement of subtrahend. 2's complement of subtrahend. It will become 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1, 1 will become 1, 0 and 1. Here no carry will be generated. You just write down by discarding a carry and add negative sign in front of this binary equivalent number. While getting, you just make down binary addition of this 27 minus 26 become 47 minus 26 become 21. Just write down 1, 1, 0, 1. This will become 1. This is again you get a 2's complement. Just do the 2's complement of this answer. Means 1's complement plus 1. Just take down 1's complement of this number. It will become 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Again you add 1. It will become 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 and 1. It is a binary equivalent for this 21. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 and you put a negative sign here to show a negative integer. This is your final answer for this 26 minus 47 binary subtraction. Got it? For 2's complement method for binary subtraction in both cases. And last topic of your this data representation chapter is computer code. Computer codes are used for internal representation of the data in computer. Hence computers use binary numbers for internal data representation. However, if it is number, you can easily write its binary equivalent. But in case of some special symbols and characters, you can use special types of binary representations, that is BCD or ASCII, or another one is XS3 code and also EBCD IC codes. First one, BCD code. BCD code stands for binary coded decimal. BCD, first method to showing data representation in computer system. One of that one is BCD, means binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal. You can just write some special characters, numbers directly by using binary numbers, means using 8421 code from left to right. These are nothing but just a positional value of that particular number, means 1st position, 2nd, 4th and 8th positions. Means 4-bit decimal number, take 2, 3, 1. It is 4-bit number, and in BCD means just write a binary equivalent of that number using 8421 code from left to right. Means 2 means 0, 1, 0. 3 for 3, 2, 1 means 0, 1, 1. For 1, 0, 0, 1. This is a BCD code for this decimal number. And in case of BCD, if it is to 4-bit means possible values of 2:4 means total 16 configurations will be. We can write total 16 configurations of binary numbers. In case if it is more than 16 means we can also calculate 6-bit BCD codes, means we develop 2 zone positions which it is possible for 2:6 means 64 characters. It is just for 4-bit characters, means 16th configurations will be there. If it is more than 4-bit means you can adding 2 zone, means you can create here zone for extra 2-bit codes. Just see the tables of BCD codes in your textbooks. They can write a zone table for particular characters, means A to I characters have a zone means 0, 1. This is a zone table will be fixed for A to I character, and for J to R 1, 0, and for S to Z 1 1, and again for numbers 1 to 0 they can set 0, zone position will be 0 0 for numbers 1 to 9. BCD code is nothing but a write a binary equivalent of particular number using 842 code 1 method. It is for 4 bit. In case of it is 6 bits means you can just create a zone for 2 bits. In case of 6 bits. There are total of 64 possibles will be there for 2:6 bits. And second one, XS3 BCD code or X3 code. XS3 code. XS3 code. XS3 BCD code is non-weighted code and is obtained from 8421 BCD code by adding 3. Means any type of BCD code you can just add 3 to that binary equivalent, we get a XS3 code. The name itself says XS3 means it is also nothing but a 8421 BCD codes. Just by extra is to add a 3 to that binary equivalent. Means take 5, 3, 7. These are decimal digits. Decimal digits. And 8421 code will become for 5 0 1 0 1, and for 3 it will become 2 1 means 0 0 1 1. For 7 4 2 and 1. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 is 0 1 1 1. This is 8421 code. And XS3 means add 3 to these equivalent binary codes 0 0 1 1, 0 0 1 1, 0 0 1 1. This becomes 1. Yes, sir. For after this add these both, we get a XS3 code 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 becomes 1 0 1 0 1. It will become 1 1, carry will be 1, for 1 carry will be 1 1 0 1 1 1 0, and again 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1. These are XS3 code for this decimal digits.